How to search for these reports. So the purchases payment reports, the sale payment reports, the expense reports, the register report, sales representative report, and also activity logs. So to be able to do that, you need to first of all come to the report section and then you tap on purchase payment report. So when you tap on purchase payment report, this interface will pop up for you to see the details of a purchase payment report that you need. So if you have added a purchase on your software, you'll be able to see a report on all purchases. So you can be able to filter out a particular purchase that you need, that is reports. So when you search for the particular purchases report you need, you'll be able to see the reference number, the paid date and time, and then the amount involved, and then the supplier's name that you search for, the payment method, and also a view button for you to view the details and then print it out. You can also filter out by locations. So if you have multiple locations, you just search for the location that you need the details for. We have a date range for you to search by a particular date that you need this report for. We have a custom range too for you to select the specific date that you need the report on. Always the total will be shown here for you. We also have the sell payments report. So when you tap on it, this interface will pop up and you see all the details of the sell payments reports that you have on your system. So if you've added a payment, you'll be able to see it on here. So you can as well search by a customer name to see the sales report on that particular customer. So the reference number, the date, the amounts, the customer's name, the customer group, the payment method. You can tap on the view button to print the details. Always to the total will be shown here for you on that particular report that you need. You can as well search by location. So if you have multiple branches, you can be able to search for the location that you need for that particular sale payment report. Then we have the payment method, so you can filter by a payment method. And then also we have the customer group, so you can filter by a customer group. Then we have the dates range for you to filter out the dates that you need the sale report on. So you can filter out by yesterday, by month, by years, and also a custom range for you to select a particular date that you need the report on. So always you'll be able to see the total involved, the reference number, the payment date, the amount involved, the customer's name, and then an action button for you to view and then print out. And also the total will be shown here for you. Then we have the expense report. So with the expense report too, you can be able to see the expenses that you've added on the system in their report. So the expense categories and then the total expenses. We have a chart bar for you to see the total expenses. So you can select by location. So if you have multiple branches, you'll be able to select the particular branch that you need this expense report on. You can as well search by categories. And also we have a date range here for you to select the particular dates that you need this report on. We also have the register report. So when you tap on register reports, you'll be able to see all the reports that you have on your software if you've added them. We have the open time, close time, the locations, the users, the total card slips, the total checks, the total cash, the total bank transfer, and then advance payment. If you have other custom payments details, you'll be able to see them. And then also the total will be shown down here for you. So you can as well filter out by users. So your employees' details that you want to see their reports, you'll be able to see that as well. You can as well filter out the status by open register or by close register. And then you can filter out by the date you need the details on. Also, we have the sales representative report. So your employees, you'll be able to see their report, and then you'll be able to see the summary of the report as well. So the total sale and then the total sales return. Then we have the total expenses as well. So you can filter by the sales added or the sales with commissions or expenses. So when you search by the sales added, you'll be able to see the date, the invoice number, the customer's name, the location, the payment status, the total amount paid. You'll be able to see all the total here as well. So the ones that have been partially paid and then the ones that have been paid. Then we have the sale due and then the sale return due as well. With the sales with commissions too, you'll be able to see the dates, the invoice number, the customer name, the location, the payment status, and then total amounts and total paid as well and total remaining. The expenses too, you'll be able to see the dates, the reference number, the expense category, the location, payment status, payment amount, expense for, and then an expense note. You can as well search for a particular sales representative report that you need. So you can filter out by a particular user, the location, and then the date range as well. We also have the activity log for you to see every activity that has happened on your software. So you can equally search by your employee's name. You can equally search by the subject type to the users, the sales, the sales order, purchase order, sell return, purchase return, stock transfer, stock adjustment, expenses. So when you tap on it, you'll be able to see those details. To expense, you'll be able to see the dates, the subject type, the action, the user that added it, and then the notes. Same applies to the rest. So when you search for stock transfer, you'll be able to see activities under stock transfer as well. We have the date range too for you to filter out the particular dates that you need a report on. We have the custom range too for you to search for the particular date that you need it for. You can as well filter out by a particular user. So these are the reports